Part 9. It's Friday, March 19th, 2021 morning. Kids are pretty excited. The sun popped out a few minutes ago. They're delighted. So, this is nearing completion here. Before I put the plexiglass in and seal in the back, I'm going to make a 2-layered plexiglass cover to protect the box of crayons I glued down there. I'm going to put this frame over there with plexiglass in the back in front of this. This is from a discarded children's phonograph record. Tell how old this is. Oh, 1989. PR, phonograph record J for juvenile. Now I'll attach that there. That will protect the Crayola crayons. Alright. Okay, the allegorical gun right sea monster and portrait of murdered terrorism attack victim Wanda Walters, age 61, who was a circulation services employee at the Clovis Carver Public Library in Clovis, New Mexico, slain in 2017. Alright, my next video will be when the work is completely finished, and I'll see if I can have it video it against a white background. Thank you, budgies. Good singing job.